Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord soundboard not showing up in server. So here, as you can see on my Discord app, you can see this open soundboard right here. Now, how can we fix that if not showing on your Discord? So first, all you're going to do is uninstall your Discord app on your computer. So to uninstall this one, click this start menu logo and go to all apps. Then find right here Discord. Then once you find, uninstall this application. Then you will go to these programs and features. So uninstall this Discord right here. Now once you uninstall, go right here on run a command right here. So type the symbol right here, a percent symbol, then app data, then another symbol, then click OK. Then find the Discord folder right here and try to delete this one. So click this one, then click on delete button. And then go back again to the run program and need to add local app data. So add that local, then click on OK, and then find that Discord files right here, and then click on delete. So once you have done that, all you're going to do is go back to your Google Chrome and then download it for Windows. So download it into your computer and you will see that your soundboard is now working. Now if still not working, even though you reinstall this app, go to this server and click this drop down menu right here and then click this server settings. So all you gotta do is try to disable this community. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.